Hello and welcome to Logic ERP. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to stay updated with the latest videos.
In this video, we will discuss an option that ensures the MRP is always picked from the lot master, even if an MRP is defined in the item master. To enable this option, go to the Logic folder and run Logic admin. Open Global Settings. Under the Sales Settings 1 section, locate the option labeled Always Pick MRP from Lot Master. Enable this option and save the settings. Restart the software. Now, let's transact an item. As you can see, the MRP displayed is 799 rupees, which is defined in the Lot Master. Let's now check the MRP defined in the item master. It is 1200 rupees. Since the option is enabled, the system picks the MRP from the lot master by default, overriding the MRP set in the item master.
I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe.